front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it until you see all of those options and pick this one with two rectangles. Click on Home button, tap on a second app and enjoy using both at once. To go back from split screen, you can either go back into the background and swipe it like you would any other app, or hold this line in the middle and drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!